Time to reveal the answers to our networking devices challenge. Let's see how many you got right. Number 1. Network switch connects devices in a LAN and forwards data using MAC addresses. Number 2. Router connects different networks and routes data between them. Number 3. Wireless access point provides Wi-Fi connectivity and bridges wireless devices to the LAN. Number 4. Firewall monitors and filters network traffic based on security rules. Number 5. Modem modulates and demodulates signals to connect your network to your internet service provider. Number 6. ONT optical network terminal converts optical signals from your internet service provider into Ethernet for your network. Number 7. PoE injector adds power over Ethernet or PoE, allowing power and data to travel through the network cable to devices such as access points, IP cameras, and VoIP phones. Number 8. Patch panel organizes and terminates Ethernet cables in a structured and manageable way. Number 9. SFP transceiver provides fiber or copper connectivity for networking devices such as switches and routers. Number 10. NIC network interface card provides the network interface that allows a computer or other device to connect to a network. If you didn't know all 10, that's exactly why we're here. And now the bonus question: which device forwards Ethernet frames using MAC addresses? The correct answer is B, the switch. A network switch learns MAC addresses and uses its MAC address table to forward Ethernet frames toward the correct destination. So, what was your final score out of 10? Keep learning, keep practicing, and follow IT step by step, one step at a time, because here we don't just memorize it, we learn how it actually works. If this helped you learn something new, memorize and remember, please follow IT step by step for more CCNA labs, networking, cybersecurity, help desk, and real IT skills. See you in the next one.